Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Haier air conditioners, the dreaded error code E9. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, it's often a fixable problem related to communication between the indoor and outdoor units. This error can cause your AC to stop working, leaving you in the heat, so let's get you cooled down quickly. First things first, safety is key. Before you start troubleshooting, make sure the unit is turned off and unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Always wear protective gloves if you're handling any parts. Now, let's jump into the fixes. Step 1. Check your power supply. Ensure the AC is properly plugged in and that your circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Sometimes, a simple power reset can clear the error. Unplug the unit for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Inspect the wiring. Error code E9 is often due to loose or damaged connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Carefully examine the cables for any signs of wear or disconnection. If you spot any issues, secure them tightly, but if you're not comfortable, call a professional. Next, clean the filters and sensors. Dust buildup can trigger this error. Remove the air filter, clean it with mild soap and water, and let it dry completely before reinstalling. Also, gently wipe down the sensors inside the unit with a soft cloth. If that doesn't work, try a factory reset. Refer to your Haier manual for the exact steps, but generally, hold down the reset button for 10 seconds. Remember, this might erase custom settings, so note them down first. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could be a more serious problem like a faulty circuit board. In that case, contact Haier customer support or a certified technician. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay cool out there.